Today I'm gonna change. Actually, I wanna try it. New LED lights, and I wanna change the foggy lights, high beam and low beam. Yep, it's pretty easy, and I saw a lot of videos, a lot of cars, and I'm decided to do for my car too. I already ordered. I have the whole set, and I'm ready to do it. Okay, we're gonna start it from here. Pretty easy. Okay, now we're gonna have here is an 8mm. I'm gonna take this out. It's right here, 8mm, and this side too. Pretty straightforward. Alright, here we have 8mm, and it's a socket right there. It's pretty easy. Just unscrew it. Okay, make sure you don't lose it. It's right here. I can take it with my hand. There's not too much space, but okay. This one is ready. Just take this clip out, and here is the bulb. Alright, here is our bulb. It's coming together. It's normal shape, and here is the LED one. Looks more better. I'm really curious how it's gonna look. We're gonna find out in a couple minutes. Just pull back. It's pretty easy, just push it. Okay, back in place. And now just put it this on. It's coming in one position, and if you see it, I have my gloves just to make sure I don't make too much damage. I don't want to leave my fingerprint for a better quality of my lights. Okay, let's find a way to put it, and I'll show you in a second how it looks. I just replaced one, and let's see if you have any difference. Wow, it's a really big difference. Okay, let's do it. Both foggy lights are changed. It look really white. You don't need to do it, but if you want more space, here was the air glove, and I just take it out to make for me more space. Here you can see we have one nut, and here was another one, and to make sure I don't lose them, I have a magnet thing, but still I want to make sure I have enough space and I don't lose them, because yeah, I don't want to do a mistake right now. And let's take the last one. Yeah guys, and you cannot do this job. I mean, you can do it, but it's very hard. If you don't, you need to take the whole light out. I will show you right now what I mean. Okay, let's take it, pull it apart. We're gonna need to take all the light out because there's not enough space here. I mean, we kind of have it, but you see it's not too much space here, and I need to connect the lights. And for me, to make sure I do this job more good, just take the light out, and to make more room, put here some nuts, and I take apart a little more stuff. Some cover it over here. I take it apart. We can have more space now, and this light is coming like so. Just be a little gentle when you try to do this. And don't forget, I almost did. Don't forget to take the power disconnected. It's coming, just a little more hard. Okay, need to push these two sides and after fill it. Alright, here is our light bulb. We need something to one and two. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just take the old one out and connect the same way the new one. And here is another one. Okay, let's wait. Okay, here are our lights. Let's take one and see it. The good thing is no difference between high beam and low beam. They're both the same thing for both. Okay, we just need to, this is the light, just take it out, just pull on your side. Okay, try to know, this light is still good, try to not put your finger. I try to avoid to do this. I still need to use two hands. I'm ready to connect the new one. Make sure there's a gap here. You can see this one needs to be up right here on top. Needs to be between these things. And another quick thing what I saw you, it says like plus and minus. I hope you can see it. And here is not telling you anything. And in case you don't know, it's no big deal. Just first you do a test, connect it, and if it's not working, just need to plug this upside down. No big deal. Okay, we're ready to connect. It's easy. Okay, and this gap up, and you can see here is a fan. And I'm still thinking to cover this one back or to leave like that. I think I'm gonna cover, but I'm gonna do some research and to see how it's better. I think it's better to be not cover because the heat to go more fast out, but for now I'm gonna leave covered. How is it? Okay, make sure there's enough space here, nothing going through. Okay, the light is good. And for now, to do a quick test, you need to put the light almost same way, just temporary, and take the plug, put it in, and we're gonna do a quick test. Okay, we hear the click. Let's do a quick test. Okay guys, maybe you're gonna see this light on your dashboard, that on, but it is not something what you need to worry. That is because the computer doesn't read the light. Oh, alright. Let's try the high beam. Whoa. I love it. And let's try the foggy light. Okay. Oh, looks like we did a good job. Just ready to put it back, and after we're gonna do a test drive to see how it's looking everything. Okay, once it's in place, make sure we hold this screw back. Try to not lose it because we don't have another one. First is ready. Here's the second one. with some magic everything is back in place. Okay, and now we are ready to see how everything is gone. Let's close the hood. Let's go inside. You ready? Wow. I really love it. Okay guys, with that being said, my job is done, and also I installed before pretty blue lights here. It's for decoration. I love how it's looking. Yep.